Me and my dad had this idea for a project together. To help you wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds, with light and music, and a washing cat. Here's what you need to make this: a proximity sensor, a light ring, a speaker, and an SD card for 20-second audio files with anything from jokes to songs. This is a breadboard where you plug in and wire things together, just like a little puzzle. Ta-da! The kit comes with code to download to the Arduino Uno, a little computer. You can change the color of light patterns here. It's working, but it's gonna get wet sitting there. We cut up a milk carton to hold it. Tape the light ring inside. It's bright enough to shine through. Here it is. Thanks for a little bit of help, Dad.